Hello, my name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and I'm here at Lexus of Serramonte. This beautiful Lexus IS vehicle was sold already, so this vehicle behind me has already been sold. It was only here for a few days before it got sold. Somebody else saw that they had the kit. They came about, but unfortunately they came a day late, and this car was already sold. Which pretty cool. Shows you how much the demand is for a customized vehicle, personalized vehicle, instead of just a regular IS350. The best benefit about getting the NIA splitter from a dealership, I think it's the finance. You don't have to cough up the whole cost of the kit up front. You can finance it monthly with the dealership, and you get to enjoy it immediately. You don't have to worry about installing it, and it's all under warranty. Dealerships will benefit because you're offering more to the customers, right? You're giving them, besides your OEM factory vehicles, which you still offer, but you have that extra market where they don't want to have the same IS as everybody else, right? They want to personalize it. And I think this is a great opportunity to upsell and bring in a different crowd, where the community, I feel like it's growing. You know, the Fast and Furious has been around since I was a kid, and I'm already in my 40s, and I still have that in my DNA. But I don't want to go too over the top, and I don't have time to install it myself and look around for a quality kit. If I'm getting the car from the dealership and I have the opportunity to get it installed and ready to go, I feel like people in my age group, in the 30s, 40s, will benefit from that. So I think this is a great opportunity now at this time frame, just because as my generation is getting older, we want quality parts. Another thing that dealers can benefit from is by giving the visitors that wow factor, right? They come in, they see a vehicle with the full splitter kit, and it gives it a nice showroom wow factor for customers to choose and use their imagination, where they can start personalizing the vehicle, pick and choose a la carte any kit and the colors that they want. That's something that other dealerships don't offer, and will make you stand out from the other that are a few miles away from your dealership.